Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the Casio A171WE, a vintage-styled digital watch with a sleek retro design. First released in mid-2021, it features module 593, the same as the F91W and similar models. The Casio A171WE takes a different approach to the vintage classic style, featuring a beautiful circular face instead of the usual square design found in most retro Casio digital watches. The stainless steel bracelet gives it a stylish, timeless appeal, making it perfect for both casual and semi-formal outfits. Its minimalist display enhances the retro charm while still being clear and easy to read. The basic variant of the A171WE is priced at under $30 depending on the seller and region. If you're interested, check out the affiliate link in the description. The watch is compact and slim, great for medium to slim wrist sizes. The case size is 38.8mm lug to lug, 37.1mm wide, and 9.2mm thickness. It is lightweight at 53 grams. For the materials, the case is resin with a chrome-plated mirror finish, and then the bracelet is stainless steel with an adjustable clasp, and then the crystal is resin glass, which means prone to scratches. And for the water resistance, it is basic, around 30 meters, which means it is splash-proof but not suitable for swimming. And then for the battery life is up to 7 years with CR2016 lithium battery. And for the calendar, it has auto calendar with 28 days for February. The modes available are practically the same as the F91W, A158, and A159, as they share the same module 593. First is the timekeeping. Displays day, date, hour, minute, and second. You can easily switch between 12 to 24-hour format by pressing the right button. And then the alarm mode. It has one daily alarm with an hourly time signal. And then the stopwatch with 100th of a second accuracy with a maximum range of 1 hour. It also supports split time. And then the last one is the adjustment mode. In this mode, you can set the time and date. As a note, it doesn't have snooze alarm, countdown timer, or other advanced digital watch features. Now let's take a closer look. For the case, it is compact and lightweight, making it comfortable for daily wear. The rounded resin case with a chrome coating gives the A171WE a cool vintage look. The mirror finish is top-notch, the edges are well made, and the transition from the rounded face to the lugs is beautiful. But there's also a downside, as expected with mirror finish, it easily picks up smudges and dust. And with resin and chrome plating, you need to be careful with bumps and scratches. And then for the backplate, it is made from stainless steel, secured with 4 screws. It displays essential details like the module code, model name, water resistance, and production info. And then the stainless steel bracelet provides a secure and comfortable fit with an adjustable sliding clasp. It looks better than the one on the A158 or A168, and the links have less gap, meaning less hair pulling. It has a decent quality for the price, but some may find it thin compared to the higher-end stainless steel bracelet. Adjusting the clasp is simple. Pry open the tab, slide the clasp to the desired position, then push the tab back to lock it in place. And there are also things to note about the bracelet. It is not as flexible as the A158 or A168. And then the bracelet has a brushed finish, while the case has a mirror finish, meaning there is a contrast that might be slightly noticeable. Next, about the watch face. The design features a white or silver curved frame line, and maybe it's just me, but it looks more classy than the A158. The color combination is more subtle, without the blue frame, giving it a more formal look. The digital display is clear and crisp, showing the calendar and time. The digit size is the same as the F91W, readable but not the largest or the boldest in this style. On the other side, the backlight is the same as the F91W also, very weak. The A171WE has 3 side buttons. On the top left, it activates the backlight, also works as reset or split time in stopwatch mode. And then the lower left button cycles through the watch modes, stopwatch, alarm, and so on. And then lower right button used for time format selection and stopwatch start or stop. The buttons are similar to the A158 or F91W but slightly angled. They are easy to operate, however, they might be slippery at times. Now let's talk about the comfort and durability. It is lightweight, only 53 grams, and comfortable for long wear. It has an adjustable clasp that ensures a good fit, although the bracelet feels less flexible than the other Casio models. The resin glass and resin case is decent but prone to scratches, so be mindful of bumps. As seen here, after 1 week of daily use, the case already has some marks and there are hairline scratches on the crystal. But anyway, thin scratches are easy to fix. Here's the crystal after I polished it with Polywatch. Much improved. And then about the water resistance, it's only splash proof, so avoid pressurized water like swimming. And then about accuracy, it might be different between units, but this one is very good, like most of my 593 modules. This watch is late not more than 1 second per week, meaning under 5 seconds per month, which is excellent. Okay, let's continue with the pros and cons. On the positive side, number 1, it has a unique rounded design, a fresh take on Casio's classic digital watches. And then number 2, it is lightweight and comfortable for daily wear. Number 3, it has 7-year battery life, long-lasting performance. Number 4, it has stylish stainless steel bracelet with an adjustable clasp. And lastly, affordable price with a vintage aesthetic. However, there are also things to consider. Number 1, the case is resin with a chrome coating, so not full metal. And then number 2, limited water resistance, not suitable for swimming. Number 3, no countdown timer, just a basic stopwatch and alarm. And then number 4, it has thin bracelet, which may feel less premium to some users. And last one, it has weak backlight, same as the F91W, A158 and similar models. In conclusion, the Casio A171WE is a stylish, vintage-inspired digital watch that offers a beautiful alternative to the usual square Casio designs. It is lightweight, comfortable, and has a clean minimalist look, making it a great everyday watch. However, keep in mind that it has limited water resistance, weak backlight, and material that may wear over time. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to click like and subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.